Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Remember to like, comment, share and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on your post notifications so that you can be notified whenever I post a new video. In today's video, I'm going to unbox this LED ring light box. I purchased this box to get some amazing photos with my greeting cards so I can post them online for sale, but I ended up after returning because it was not big enough. I ended up have to make my own. So the next video that I will be posting is the light box that I made for myself. If you guys want to see that, stay tuned for the next video. If you wish to save time and purchase your own, feel free to go ahead and do so. It's a pretty good ring light box. It's just not big enough for what I wanted it to do, and I could not get a big enough one for my usage, so that's the reason why I ended up sending it back in the first place. If you have small items that you wish to take photo of, you can always purchase it. I will leave a link in the description box for you guys. Also, I got it from Amazon and it came with different backdrop right here. That's what I'm unboxing right now. The different colors. We have a black, a red, yellow, gray, white, and other colors as well. So any product you have and need a different backdrop, you can always use those to take different photo background, and you can just choose which one is best fit for you. So I'm a part of the Amazon affiliate program. You will always see the rest of the information down below, so you can purchase this using my link. So this is the manual of the ring light box, and also this is the ring light box which I will be opening. It came into this lovely bag. I wish I could have kept the bag and sent back the ring light itself, because it's a really nice bag. It looked strong as well. This white shade of material came in there as well. I think it's for better picture quality, to block out all the different noise of light, if you can call it like that. And right here I'm just taking out the part that you will plug in for it to light up, and I plugged it in and trying to play with the different settings. What you all will see, I have a problem having it standing up right here. I was like, bro, stand up. But I eventually get to open it right here for it to stand up properly. So yes guys, this is how the inside of it look. It has some aluminum around it, and then so as you can see right here, I'm playing with the different settings. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this mini unboxing, and I hope you come back again for more. Remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you all for the support, the love, the continuous watching, and all that you guys showed me. Right there I tried out one of my greeting cards. As you all can see, the different light, it is okay for me. As I said, the box is okay, just that it is too small. I would need a bigger box with it. If you're a small business owner, you can get this box as well to take amazing photos of your products. And I tried a red one as well, the red backdrop with different lightings, the light settings that's on there. That's what I'm playing with right now. And here is the white one. So whenever I took those pictures, they came out with the back of it open.